If you're waking up every morning and thinking, what should I post today? Let me be brutally honest to you. You have already lost. You're not a creator. You're a slave to the algorithm. Because in 2026, people winning online are not guessing content every day. They are not burnt out. They are not stressed. They are system driven. And today, I'm going to show you the exact system that top agencies and creators in India use to create 30 days of content in just 2 hours. No daily grind, no creative burnout, no last minute posting. Let's clock in. Here's the truth most gurus won't tell you. The daily content grind is dead. The biggest agencies in India don't create content daily. They batch it. Why? Because according to a latest productivity research, something called context switching, the jumping between writing, thinking, editing, designing, and posting kills 40% of your brain's efficiency. So every time you write a caption, then reply to a DM, then design a post, then think of another idea, you're frying your creativity. Smart creators don't work harder, they work once properly. This is where the 2-hour content engine comes in. Step 1. Stop chasing viral build authority. The first mistake creators do is that I need viral ideas. No, in 2026, Google, Meta, YouTube doesn't reward virality. They reward topical depth. That means if you talk deeply about a few things, you win. And if you talk shallowly about everything, you disappear. This is where authority pillars come in. The 4x7 rule. Here's the framework. Pick 4 content pillars. These are the main topics your brand stands for. Example, education, case studies, personal experience, tools and tactics. Now apply the math. 4 pillars into 7 subtopics is equal to 28 posts plus add 2 trending or wildcard posts. Now you have 30 posts for 1 full month. No stress, no guessing. Use perplexity and answer the public. Type your pillar topics and see what people are actually asking this month. This aligns your content with real demands and not random ideas. Step 2. One idea is equal to 1 post. The biggest myth in content creation is that every post needs a new idea. Wrong. One strong idea should be used in 5 ways. This is how professionals scale. Welcome to the Waterfall Strategy. Here's how it works. The hero. 1 long form YouTube video or 1 deep blog post. The splinters. 3 Instagram reels should have key takeaways and strong hooks. The conversation. 2 LinkedIn or X text posts should have an opinion, a hot take, and a contrarian insight. And remind, 1 carousel should have a step-by-step summary and 1 idea should have 7 pieces of content. Now do this with just 4 hero ideas and your entire month's high-value days are covered. Now, step 3 is the 2026 AI content stack. Now this is where most people underuse AI. They use ChatGPT like a typing tool. In 2026, we use brand-aware AI agents. Here's how pros use AI. Feed your hero content into Jasper, Custom GPT, and brand-trained AI agent, preloaded with your tone, your audience, and your offers. Example command, convert this YouTube transcript into 5 punchy Instagram captions using hook, value, CTA framework written in my brand voice. Now design at scale. Use Canva Bulk Create to turn script into 30 branded posts in just 1 click. No manual design, no efforts. Step 4. Log the calendar. If you're still clicking post every day, you're wasting your life. Use Metricool, Buffer, and schedule everything. The peak posting time is 8 a.m. for office commute scroll, 1:30 p.m. for lunch break, and 9:30 p.m. for pre-sleep doom scrolling. Accounts that post at consistent times see a 21% higher reach due to algorithmic predictability. Consistency beats creativity. This 2-hour system isn't just about saving time, it's about mental clarity. When your content is on autopilot, you can finally focus on sales, strategy, networking, and building real relationships. Remember this, create in batches and engage in real time. Use your extra 28 days in this month to reply to comments, talk in DMs, and build community. That's where the growth actually happens. If this video just saved you 20 plus hours in this month, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a content creator who is still stuck in the daily grind. See you in the next video.